Previously on Back for More. Cream allied with Squirtle, told him about her idol, and created a trustworthy bond between the two. Meanwhile, Iggy, with his new invention, stole a drone propeller from a completely different dimension. Mark and Spoongirl entered the show as co-hosts before the contest. Speaking of the contest, it was to build a boat for your team and race it around the island. Enderman seemed to finally understand what he was doing wrong. Tails was getting bullied, Iggy built a flying chair using the drone propeller he found, and Pecky, well... Due to that, Cream is bad, now renamed...
Cream is stinky!
Lost the challenge, and because Cream used the Devil's Idol on Pecky, guess who was sent home instead?
Devil, it's time for you to go.
21 remain. Who will be voted out? Find out now!
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow.
Whoa, you actually found it? He found the idol and felt he was close enough with me to share it. I really am in a great spot in this game.
Yeah, 7 should be enough. Oh god, that's a lot worse than I thought.
Morton, what are you doing with all those logs?
Well, because we placed 3rd in the challenge last time, we have to live in the tent, and I'm basically trying to help out my team with doing that. I'm thinking maybe it could prevent me from being target number 1. My main goal with this is just to seem like a competitor that you want to keep in the game, you know? You're welcome, guys. I just brought a whole bunch of logs.
For what?
I don't know.
Hey, I appreciate you trying to help the team and all, but you don't really have to overwork. Take some time to relax if you need to.
Well, I personally think that he's not doing enough.
Shut up! I'm sick and tired of you and your obsession with hating Morton.
Wow, thank you.
Ha ha! What a functional team we are!
Whoa, why is it freezing now? Does anyone have a jacket?
How did it get so cold? We're on a tropical island.
Huh? What is happening?
Didn't think I'd have to use this, but I brought my spare sweatshirt! Alright, take it.
Jeez, how did it get so cold out here? That's literally what we're trying to figure out.
Well, you all know me. Can you guess what I'm gonna do with this situation? Solve it! Turn it into a challenge!
Are you kidding me?
Okay, so for this challenge, you guys will freely roam the island and find a way, any way, to stop this freezing weather. Whichever team successfully manages to do that will get to pick one team to be up for elimination. My guess is that the weather's only gonna get worse from here, so I would get going. Now.
Alright, what do you guys think is causing all this?
Let's look at the island's mountain.
Hold on. It looks like the other teams had the same idea.
Tails, build a car so we can beat the other teams up the mountain.
Say please.
Now.
Why are we coming up here when the other teams are as well?
Pecky actually had a bright idea. We just need to climb high enough so we can slide down. Like, into something? He didn't say why, but I'm sure it'll help us somehow. No, I just wanted to be at the mountain.
Grab onto me, so I can teleport to the top. If we don't find anything, we'll look somewhere else. Nope, no snow cone machine up here. You just assumed it was a snow cone machine. I mean...
Okay, let's go look somewhere else.
This is easy, guys. Just keep on climbing.
Oh, that's a strong wind. We should probably hide somewhere quickly.
Phew. The snowstorm can't get us here.
Well, that's unfortunate.
What's that?
Oh, alright, I'm done with the car, guys.
Huh, looks like my car.
Make it better.
Alright, fine. Alright, well, it's not great, but it's a step up. Let's just use it.
Whoa.
Get me out of here, I hate caves.
Calm down. We just fell from above. Para can fly us back up, right?
Yeah, but we can find the source of all the snow somewhere in here.
Oh, snap, the angry turtle's right.
Let's go! I sure hope we don't drive off this mountain.
Lemmy, that's just cartoon logic. That would never actually happen in real life.
Oh, hi, Morton. Hello. Get over. Ask the snowman, penguin, and Yol. Let's keep looking. If we split up, we'll most likely find at least something before another team. I like that plan. Let's get a move on, boys!
Iggy, do you have a flashlight? It's dark in these parts.
Must I carry in every challenge?
Oh, it's a cave.
No way, really? It's a cave? I never would have guessed that.
Guys, I think the snow is coming from one of these crystals.
That's just stupid. No offense.
Or, it could be coming from this big rock.
That's stupid too.
Or, what if it's coming from this pit?
That's better, I guess. Want to go investigate?
Wouldn't hurt to check.
Yeah, it would. It's a pit. You can die.
Para, fly us down.
Alright.
So, what's your new plan? We built a snow cone machine tracker. Again, it's probably not a snow cone machine that's doing this.
Let him finish.
Yeah, this'll work, trust me.
Wow.
If this doesn't work, yeah, I know you've woke me up, but I'm pretty confident this'll work. Choose a pretty bad time to be confident. Not a chance this is gonna work.
Okay, should we try something else?
I don't know, aren't you like the smart one? I like to make the decisions.
Does it really matter?
What do you mean? Of course the challenge matters.
No, I mean, if we don't try on this one, we still might not get picked by the winning team. Not a single team in this competition hates us. As long as we play nice, we should be fine.
OMG, that's actually like smart. Why can't you be like this, Humble Tails?
You never appreciate when I am.
Okay.
Huh? Oh, jeez, the flashlight doesn't even work down here. Alright, everyone stay by me if you can.
Notice how there's been a lack of fighting in this challenge?
That's because there's been a lack of Morton's presence in this challenge.
Wait, guys, stop.
Who are you? Why are you here?
Well, we...
What's your purpose? What's the point of your existence? Why are...
Stop!
Oh, my bad.
We're trying to stop the snow outside.
Not happening.
Why?
The snow is my creation. My work. I don't need little idiots like you ruining it.
This is a tropical island. The only areas of snow should be the tall mountains during the winter.
Shut up.
Alright, well, if you're not willing to get rid of the snow, we'll have to do it ourselves.
Not unless you're able to defeat me.
There goes my idea.
I don't want to have to use this.
You always use that.
My turn.
Not today. Drone propeller activate.
That's not going to do it.
Now get rid of the snow.
Fine, you win. I'll get rid of the snow.
Thank you.
Just kidding.
No!
Did you guys get Snowstorm too?
Team, the snow cone machine tracker is leading us into that cave! Stupid, I found it!
Oh, is this what I'm supposed to do? Okay, Team Not the Capture Squad wins the challenge.
Huh? Where did Fortune go?
Don't worry about it. He's like talking to someone or something. For now, Team Not the Capture Squad, pick one team to be up for elimination.
Okay, so I'm kind of...
Okay, alright, we've decided on the Epic Morton. Y'all gotta learn to calm down. Sorry.
No, I get it. It's fine.
Come on, first I got blown away by a snowstorm and now this.
Morton, this is probably the most obvious vote in the show's history.
This team could do better without stupid things weighing it down.
Yeah, Morton, sorry. I'm gonna have to vote for you tonight.
Okay, do what you have to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to benefit this team.
I've got to do what's best for this team.
Morton's gotta go. I mean it for real this time. No point in getting angry at him if he's still gonna mess up.
Morton is definitely leaving tonight, but Parrot is so annoying!
You know what? It's okay. Morton fans, my time has come.
Welcome back, the Epic Morton. Whose fault was it that you lost, if you had to blame someone?
Wait, he didn't really cost us the challenge, but he did almost get himself killed near the beginning.
Forkhead, I gotta say, this vote is more if you had to get rid of someone, who would it be, as opposed to they messed up, they're out.
We just want the best option for the team.
And I think that is a great way to lead into the vote reading. If anyone has a secret immunity and would like to play it, now would be the time to do so. Okay, I'll read the votes. First vote, Morton. Para, we're tied. 1 vote Morton, 1 vote Para. Morton, that's 2 votes Morton, 1 vote Para. Para, we're tied again. 2 votes Morton, 2 votes Para, 1 vote left. 5th person voted out of TBG, back for more. Para, that's 3, that's enough.
What? Are you brainless? Morton was an easy vote! We had
Para, just shut up! I voted for you.
I've got to do what's best for this team.
This Chalice is voting for Para?
Of course! She's so annoying!
You might have the bronze to outlast us in challenges, or maybe the brains to outwit us in the game, but know this.
You can never outplay a veteran in this game.
You!
Alright, that's enough. You're eliminated now. Let's go.
Para, it is time for you to go.
Oh my god. Thank you guys. You gotta go. With Para gone, will somebody take her place as the season's possible antagonist? Will Morton go from an underdog to not an underdog? And will the Epic Morton become the bestest of bestest friends? Find out on another episode of TBG Back for More.
What's this? You should have another chick. Ha ha! If those idiots think they can get rid of me that easily, they've got another thing coming.